is June 10th, 2021. This one I got a call from a guy. He says his AC's not working, his compressor's not starting. He said he checked the capacitor and all that. He says the compressor's not starting, so maybe it's a burnt wire or something. He said he watches YouTube and seen me on there or whatever, so he's not too far away, so we're gonna go over there and see if we can help this guy out. You love pets, Miss Molly. You love being petted, Miss Molly. She's a needy dog, Miss Molly. She needs a lot of attention. Oh yeah, you need a lot of attention, Miss Molly. You need a lot of attention, Miss Molly. Look at all the flipping oil. Look at a bad leak here. Look at all the flipping oil. It's no good. That's what this problem is. It's probably going on. Probably got no gas in it. Get some gloves on them. Flipping oil. Oh, look at that. That's just him putting the gauges on there or something. Look at this. Let's see if we got any gas in it at all. There's our problem right there. 410A, we got 56 pounds in there. Ain't gonna run like that. Got no Freon in it. Bet you the compressor will start. It's just not gonna, it's gonna go off on thermal overload. Not good. He's out of Freon. Where this oil's from, I don't know, but man. Just seems like a lot of oil around here. Look at all the flipping oil here. Look at this. Something's queer. I don't know. Thing's really low. Unless he was opening it. There's a major leak somewhere. She's like 220 pounds today. It's down to 50. I bet you the compressor will start. I'm going to check it. What was probably happening is going off on thermal overload. It's just getting so hot. That's what was in there, 45-5. What has he got in there? He's got a 40-5. He's got the wrong one in there. Maybe that's why it's not starting. He's got the wrong capacitor. That's only a 40-5. That's the wrong one. Now blue goes through this thing. Well, you got high and low pressure switches, right? Let's see if the compressor starts. Ready? It's gonna go off on low pressure. Yeah, it's gonna go off on low pressure. $410A. It's 75 out today. $75. 410A. Should be 220 standing pressure with 65. That's his problem. Got a major leak somewhere. Get a hold of this guy. Yeah, unless he let all the flipping gas out, I don't know. Seems awful oily around here. The thing is just... I don't know if this is just all blowing refrigerant or what, from him putting his gauges on and off. I don't know. Hello, can I help you?
Hi.
Oh yeah, how you doing? All right, so I come over here and I seen it. It looked like a lot of oil around these king valves. How come it's all oily around them king valves?
It's like a fluid film. It's a non-conductive rust preventer.
Oh, so you put some kind.
I did. Yeah, it's like a fluid film, and just like because those have corroded in the past, so I put some of that stuff off.
Oh, okay, that kind of threw me off. So what's happening here is you got a bad leak somewhere because standing pressure on this thing, 410A, 75 degrees should be like 220 psi. You're down at like 65.
Oh, so you got the compressor running then.
The compressor runs fine. But what's going to happen is if you run it for any amount of time, it's refrigerant cooled and it's going to heat up and go off on thermal overload. So that's probably what's been happening to you. Now you got the wrong capacitor in there. It should be a 45-5. You got a 40-5 in there.
Okay, yeah. The other one wasn't working either. Was the other one wrong as well?
I don't know. I could check it while I'm here. I could check it.
The old one I left on top of the.
Yeah, I could check it. I'll check the microfarads and if it's okay. But you got a major leak somewhere.
Yeah,
have you been adding gas to this thing every year?
2 years ago it had gas added.
Yeah, so you got a leak somewhere. I mean, it's pretty flat at this point. I mean.
Yeah, because when the refrigerant was added 2 years ago, we put in a new Schrader valve, hoping it was just a simple Schrader valve, but apparently it's something else.
Yeah, so
yeah.
It's pretty flat. I mean.
So generally that should be replaced then when you got a leak like that.
Well, it might be an evaporator, but I mean this system is probably 2002. It looks like.
Oh, is that how old it was?
When did you put it in?
The other guy did. It's not the house is 98. He had it replaced at some point. I don't know when.
Yeah, I think it's an old. It looks like it's an 02. So I mean, you want to throw good money to bad. I mean, it'd probably be better off just to put another unit in it. This thing's pretty all rusted out, you know.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, and I'd probably need a new oil furnace at the same time, because that's the original.
I would definitely put a new condenser out here. Want me to look at it while I'm here and see?
Yeah. I'm gonna be heading home in like about 20 minutes.
I gotta go. I mean, I'm not.
So
I can't.
Be gone by then.
Yeah, I just do my jobs and keep going. I mean, I got another 20 more to do today.
Okay. Yeah. So
I would just upgrade at this point. I mean, you're gonna throw good money to bad into this old thing. It's not worth it.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Is just replace the whole entire heating and cooling system. Do you do that?
Yeah, I could, but not right away. I mean, everybody's busy right now, you know.
Yeah. So what would be an estimated time? Like several weeks to?
Yeah, if I look, a couple of weeks, I guess. I mean, I got 2 or 3 I got to do already. That's lined up, and trying to do all these repairs. I'm only one guy, you know.
Right, and where it's a furnace and an AC, that's a pretty big job.
Do you have to do the furnace too?
Urgent when it's cold, but
yeah, grab a couple of window units. You'll be all set for now. I'll get you by. All right, she's gonna open the bulkhead. I'll look at it while I'm here, and I'll get you. Yeah, give me a couple of 3 days, cause I got quite a few that I gotta give estimates on too. I mean, everybody they run into this problem when it's not worth it. Well, give me a quote. It's like, all right.
Okay.
Good enough.
Oh yeah, you can do that. I appreciate it.
And I'll leave you a slip.
All right.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, that should still be good. 44, it's still good. 5, it's still good. Alright guys, I just left that job, and like I said, the pressure should have been in there, standard pressure like 220 for 410. And if you only got 65 pounds, that means there's no refrigerant in the condenser at all, and it's really, really low. So, if I would have started that up and would have pulled into a vacuum, things got a major leak, and an old system like that, it's not worth fixing it. So he wants to get a price on changing out put a new oil furnace in there. I got some measurements on it. And it's got a power vent on the outside there. So a new oil furnace, a new condensing unit, and a new A-coil, new line set. That would be the best way. It's a little 3-ton. It's a little raised ranch. It's got 3 tons in there, which I thought was a little bit oversized, but. Anyway, that's going to be the story with that. I'll have to get back to him. I got quite a few people I got to get back to, give quotes here. 3 or 4. I'm only one guy. I only can do so much, you know. That's what I kind of thought that was off on thermal overload. He said he sprayed some kind of oil on the valves there. I don't know what that's all about, but. What do we got here? We got a goose on the loose, mama. Oh man, we got a goose on the loose. Got a goose on the loose. He's holding up traffic here. Look at this. Look, the goose is holding up traffic. Slow boat to China. That's funny, Molly.